right, you guys. Hey, what do you say? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, welcome back to another video. My name is Lady Lori, and I've got your Glam Bag X. This is mine. Sassy has already done hers. I don't know which one's gonna post first. She'll probably nag the hell out of me and say, post mine, hello. You know what I mean? And I'll probably give in to her because she can get very loud. Oh, she can. Especially when her and Greg are off spending time together. Okay, you guys, Glam Bag X is part of IPSY. It is part of the IPSY Glam Bag. You have the Glam Bag because there's 3. You have the Glam Bag Plus, that's number 2. The Glam Bag X is number 3. You do not get this every month. This is every quarter. It replaces the second one, which is that one in the little drawstring. That little bag, you know, the cute one. You know, the one thing I do miss is I was going to have one of our accounts skip, but she's like, no. I went, okay. That way we would still get the drawstring bag because you give certain things up when you upgrade to these bigger boxes. Anyway, not that big of a deal, but when you see those little small makeup bags with the cute little red hearts and, you know, they're little pink and red, you know, I wanted the little drawstring bag. Anyway, here's something we're a little bit pissed off about. Yeah, I'm going to tell you that part first. We did not get to choose. We did not get our email until after choice was over. And then it had 0000 up there, so you couldn't even go. It just said, oops, sorry, we think you must have forgot. Well, if you go back and look at the emails, it's because you never sent us one. So me or Sassy, neither one of us, which we're both one and the same, we did not get to make any choices with regards to our IPSY Glam Bag X. Her box, though, stinking, man, she got good. She got good. They did her good. IPSY did her good. I don't know who Addison Rae is. I have never heard of her until this. I've never seen her before. I've never heard anybody talk about her. I didn't even know she was on YouTube. So I am not familiar with her at all. It's kind of the same way Halsey was with me in the very beginning when she curated the IPSY Glam Bag X. And now I'm just like rave. Yay. Halsey. You know, About Face. That's her brand. Love her music. Well, some of it. Back off. I like a few of her songs. You do get inside this box. It's like a little National Enquirer, except for that it's all the information you're going to need on the products that are inside your box. Okay, so how much does this box go for? I'm glad you asked. Is it 59 bucks? 49 bucks? 39 bucks? Something like that. Either way, the information is going to be on your screen. So let's open this thing up. This is issue 5, and I've been with them. I've gotten every single box so far. This is February 2022, so we're just going to start with some stuff that I see right here on this first page. And I'm not too pissed off at this because, you know, I like IGK. I do use some of their products once in a while. Usually it's detangler. And this one says Good Behavior 4-in-1 prep spray. With the first thing on the list, it's a 4-in-1 detangler. 24-hour frizz control. Already got me with 2. And the 450 Fahrenheit heat protection. I don't use anything with heat. And then shine. That's nice. That's nice right there. This isn't going anywhere. This will go in my bucket over here that has all my hair products that I don't give away. So, oh man, I wonder what it smells like. It seems thick. Usually detanglers are. It smells simple. I don't know. Like the outside of a type of fruit. Like a very dull, non-aromatic fruit. It seems very simple. This thing comes in at $27, so it's just, you know, and it's heavy. It's a big bottle. It's nothing to play around about. It's definitely something to write home about. I don't know. Okay, what do we have here? Looks like something we got right there. Clear brow gel. Well, thank you very much. I have about 20 of these. I'm just kidding. I probably have about 4 or 5. And I give a lot of these away in my giveaways. So I'm not even worried about that. Let's see, Anastasia. The clear brow gel is $22. This will go in a giveaway. Yeah. I think I have 1 or 2 of these open right now. I have a small one that was like a little deluxe I got from IPSY, and then it was starting to run out, so I opened up a big size one. I don't know. Am I doing good right now? I don't think so. I think right now my bag, I mean, I like this, you know, for my hair. I mean, I could squirt it right now, but you definitely don't want to mess with curly hair after it's dried. No. Okay, this is Nodo or Nodo, like Toto, Nodo. Deep serum, face and neck. Ooh, face and neck serum. Multi-use, natural, universally sexy. Okay, you say so. I don't know. Maybe they knew all about me, or they heard about Sass. Okay, Nodo Botanicals. This one comes in at 56 bucks, and it's just like a typical. See, almost looks like Formula 44D. Remember that, Vicks? It does. See what it smells like? Cause I'll probably keep in this. Ooh. That's got citrus. This all-natural serum is formulated for all skin types, so you can use it whether your complexion is dry, oily, or sensitive, or acne-prone, or a little bit of everything. I wish it would have said something like, what is that? It's like, you know, like an orange rind? That's what I'm getting. And pretty decent hints of that. 56 bucks. All right. We'll take it. Got it. Don't need it. I mean, but we'll see. I don't know. Just before you give it away, Lori, check your stuff. Check your stash. This is Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. We love Tula. We love their face masks. There we go. Page 3, 4. This is $52. Like I said, they're not cheap. Your product should multitask as well as Addison does. It's the reason she loves this moisturizer. It can be used day and night to help deeply hydrate skin and smooth the look of fine lines and rough textures. Well, you know what? I have a lot of night creams and day creams. Right now I'm using the Naturium. So, as well as I have plenty of 111 skin, and I won't give that stuff up. No, that 111 skin, no, that stuff stays with me. Anyway. Next, this Yuma, remember the Badass MF, the lip liner? Okay, this one is Black Magic. Okay, let's see where we can find this one. Oh, Black Magic, it just happens to be right here on this page, you guys. This is $24. It's a Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick in Love. Looks pretty. It looks almost like bronzy metallic-y. It says it's Black Magic. This ultra shiny lipstick has a permanent home in Addison's makeup bag. Tell me about this product. It's buildable, long-lasting, moisturizing, TY, so I guess that's Thai, Brazil nut oil, and gives lips the most perfect light reflective glow. And I do understand that because she helped curate this box, that they're saying, hey, what is your go-to? What are the things you like? What are the things you do? What is it that you can't do without? No, that is not how IPSY curates these bags. They are not going out and asking the companies that Addison Rae uses on a daily basis, won't leave anywhere, won't hop on a plane to go somewhere, isn't backstage getting ready for something, and they go, oh, well, what's all the stuff you use? We need to call those companies. You guys, give me a break. No, they give her a ton of stuff on a dang table, and they say, pick the stuff. Use it for the next month, and then tell us what you really liked about it. It's magnetic. It's crazy. Looks like a multi-chrome, you guys. There's no way this camera is going to pick this up. This looks multi-chrome, like shape-shifting, color shifting. Whoa, like when I see it, I see green. And then I turn it to you guys and you see copper and gold. And then turn it over here and I see yellow. Oh my God, let's do this. Yes, because look at all the yellow. It's just like, you guys are going, no, it's not yellow, Lori. It's bronzy. No, it's not. It's yellow. It's gold. Oh, almost looks like the stuff on my eyes. That's the packaging. I showed you guys that already, right? Yeah, okay. It's magnetic. Okay, check this out. And that's for your lips. It's going to change colors on you. Sassy starts wearing this, or I do. The husband, we're going to be kissing them, and all of a sudden they're going to look and say, I thought you had red on. No, it's green now. Nope, it's gold now. We could have fun with this one. I don't know, girls. I'm probably keeping this one. I think this one just found its spot back here behind me in my favorite pile. Oh, how much is this darn thing? Oh, I already told you guys. Okay, let's keep going. And then there's Say. It's a mascara. I'm not going to keep it. You guys can have it. It's in black. It's got that real purple, real pretty purple writing. $24. Like I said, I'm not going to open it because it'll let air in. I don't know what kind of brush it is. You know, she sure as hell did do better than me. This is Keys Skincare. Harmony Mask. Ooh, Sassy's going to love this. She's going to love this. This is called Keys. Where are we? Keys Soul Care Harmony Mask, $28. This skin saver is infused with tiny bits of gold foil, the precious metal known for its ability to give a radiant glow. It's even said that Cleopatra was a fan. Yeah, like Cleopatra wasn't alive during this. Okay, so quiet. You got that right. A little bit of Sassy. She's loud tonight. She's all, I won. Shut up. I didn't win anything. Yes, I did. My box was better. Whatever. It's because you got those expensive things, and she got those two pretty badass lip glosses. This is it. It's black, you guys. Ooh, Sass. Can you see this, girl? This is a mask. It's a mask, Sassy. Oh, it's mud. She's going to use this on Monday. Look, it's the mud. She's going to use this on Monday. She's going to have a blast. Sassy. Don't tell me you're in the bathroom. You are not. You're, come on. It's trying to show you something. This is a mud mask, girl. She's on in the bathroom. No, you're not. All right. What did that come in at? Okay, we already told you. And then, yes, we did. I did remember when I did check over the boxes, the MZ Skin. This one here, what was it, 145 bucks? $143. Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. Do we give one away? Do we give one away? Yeah, you know why? Because I only have one face. Of course, my daughter, she might see this video and go, oh, no. You know what? Don't even worry about it. If it makes it over there behind the door and it goes in those cubbies, that's how I build my beauty bundle boxes. And believe me, it's packed. And then I have my other bins over here that are full of overflowing skincare. That's all what I call consideration products. Means when I'm building the boxes, I consider them for extra gifts because they're just overflow. So what'd you guys think? What'd you think? Not bad for a box that we didn't have any say in, huh? Right? I mean, come on. How would you like to pay this much for a box and go, oh, guess what? They let you pick like 3 items. No, you didn't get to pick shit. I think the reason why we're not as upset as we should be is because she got the Juvia's Place. She got the big Nubian. Is that what it is? Nubian palette. I mean, this isn't too bad. What you guys think? Like, of all the items, what was your favorite? Come on, tell me, share. Did you get this box? Were any of these your items? that you chose, if you get this box, if they were, let me know and say, hey, you know what, I chose that item. So they did a pretty good, they did a pretty good job giving you that product. So tell me what you chose. Do you even get the IPSY Glam Bag X? A lot of people don't. They're just like, hey, I'm over here watching your videos because we don't get it. It's nice to see you spend money, and then you toss it in a box. You put our names in a random name picker, random comment picker, spits out a name, and then you turn around and you pay for postage, and you send us your free shit that you don't want. You know, starting to think about it, that's not a bad slogan. To, you know, get people over here. To get me to 500 after that, it's okay. Just kidding, you guys. But anyhow, what'd you guys think? Seriously, I mean, you know, there is some kind of truth to that whole little thing I said, right? All my overflow products, I'm the one that packs them. I'm the one that pays for shipping. And you guys are getting all this fun stuff for free. Who's getting the better end of the deal? Let me know your thoughts down below. Not about that, because I really don't want to hear that. Because then it's going to be, oh my God, we think you should put more products in there. Are you kidding? If you've ever been a winner, you know I pack a box. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all I got, at least for this video. Let me know what your thoughts are down in the section, down in the comment section down below. Wait, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. There we go. Until my next video, you guys, I will see ya. Bye.
I think you're right.